How's everybody doing? I'm gonna show the Lakine right back there. Yeah, it's beautiful. We came from past that tree right there. Beautiful. Everyone's beautiful. Everything's beautiful, baby. Mama, this sketch is free, baby. Let me tell you, Mama. Whew. There's Mama behind me. Elvis is probably up here one time. Right here. Set his ass right on that stool right there. Swear to God. I think I could still smell his sweat. Elvis booty sweat. Ooh, gross. Gross. Guarantee he's been up here. All the famous people have been up here. Steven Tyler's probably been up here. Yeah, all the famous people have been up here. Yeah, the one guy that come up missing that was famous? Yeah, he's down there somewhere. Oh, you know he's down there. That's a long way down. Look at that. Right, we're going camping down there next time. Yes, we are. Yeah. What?
Woo, pack is cold.
I feel good. I feel great. Rocket Man, and it's gonna be a long, long time.
Today is National Grilled Cheese Day.
Happy National Grilled Cheese Day.
National Grilled Cheese Day.
Oh, why in the heck did Kevin make a cinnamon bread then? He told us, nobody told me it was a good day like that. I don't know. Oh. A little late. Gonna have to make him when I get home. Maybe. We'll see. Bam, mountain man.